Are you having problems finding implied main idea? You are not alone. There are others struggling on the same issue. Some might say this is trivial. Then again, this is one of the most important topic for this semester. In previous week, you learned about finding the main idea of the paragraph. Then again, the main idea is not always written in one sentence. But if the sentence is not there, how can we figure out what the main idea is? Stick around and you will learn a better way on how to find implied main idea. By definition, implied main idea means saying things indirectly. Hints are given, and readers must use clues to find evidence in the sentences in order to figure out what the main idea is. Let's check out a paragraph with an implied main idea. Bear in mind that a well written paragraph is built around a topic. So, the main idea is what the writer says about the topic. Let's take this as an example. Marcona studies business at a large university in the city. Every morning, she wakes up early to attend her classes. She likes her lecturers because they are helpful and friendly. Marcona has many friends from different countries and they often study together in the library. Sometimes they go to the cafe to relax after class. On weekends, Marcona enjoys exploring the city or joining university clubs. She finds university life exciting but also challenging because of the assignments and exams. However, she knows that studying hard now will help her achieve her dreams later. So, you can see right here that this paragraph tells about a person named Marcona. As you go further, the writer tells about the details of Marcona and the university that she's studying in. If you start scanning for important repetitive words or patterns in the paragraph, hmm, these are the words associated with one another. Marcona, university, um, the pronoun of she, the classes again, library, university clubs, assignments, exams, and studying hard. So these are the pattern in the paragraph. So if you associate the words with one another, you can imply that this is Marcona's life as a university student. So why do authors imply main idea? Writers imply main ideas to keep their readers interested. This requires readers to keep on reading. Some writers love to probe readers to think further, so there will be hints given by the writer, and it is up to the reader to find out what the writer has to say. Let's look at another example. This might catch the attention of anime lovers. I guess I'll be giving you about 30 seconds to identify the repetitive pattern in this paragraph. Your 30 seconds starts now. So, are you able to guess what the implied main idea is? So, these are the repetitive words or patterns that is that appears in this paragraph. So if you can see right here, the main technique, the move, the secret technique, again, fighting technique or fighting skill. So to imply, Tanjiro is a skilled fighter who learns many techniques to defeat demons. So people, these are the tips on these are the tips on how to find an implied main idea. You need to find a topic by thinking about all specific details. Next, you need to figure out the most important idea that the writer wanted you to know. Last, express the main idea in your own words. For as long as it makes sense, it applies to the details in the paragraph. I do hope that you learned something in this lecture. Best of luck to everyone. Have a nice day.